Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a website in Google Sites for free. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss any of these steps from this tutorial. So first up here, we're going to open your browser and we will just go here on the search box and type sites.google.com. So we're going to use this website to create your own website. So from here, as you can see, we have option if you want to start with a blank site or if you want to use some templates. So if you're going to click on the template gallery right from there at the top right, basically you will find a bunch of templates that you can use for free. For example, here, personal website if you want work website or about small business or about education. So you can select any of the templates here. But in this sample, I'm going to create a website from this blank site. So I'm going to start from this scratch. Now, as you can see here, we have now on our website editor. So to start designing our website, first thing we want to do here is name our website. So for this sample, I'm going to create a business website called the Galaxy Clothing. So I'm just going to type right here, Galaxy Clothing, right? Now we're going to click on the gear icon, which is the settings right here at the top right. So we want to make sure here that our website is set up correctly. So we have some options here. For example, we have the navigation and we have the mode and we have also the color. So this is going to put our primary menu either at the top, right from here, or on the side of your website. So for example, I'm going to select top, and here on the color, you can choose the color of your primary navigation. So in this sample, I'm just going to select transparent. You can just change it anytime on the settings. Now on the next option, we have the brand images. So as you can see here, you can upload or select a logo image to add to your global navigation bar. So this logo is going to appear at the top left corner of your primary menu. So right from here. Okay, so we're going to upload an image. For example, I'm going to click on upload and I'm going to select this image here for an example. All right. Now, if you're going to scroll down, right from here, you can select a color to use for your theme, or you can also add some alt text. So alt text is accessed by screen readers for people who might have trouble seeing your content, all right? And you can select a color to use for your theme. So I have two choices from here. And once you've done, as you can see, we have also favicon. So you can also select an image here which will appear on your website. So right there at the top left. So we're going to upload another image or the same logo. For an example, I'm going to select the logo again. Then there you go. All right. On the next option, we have some viewer tools. So here we have the info icon and the anchor links. So I will leave the settings as they are right here. Next is the custom domains. Here you can connect your custom domain if you have, but as you can see here on Google Sites, you can get free hosting and you can also get Google Sites domain for free. Now here on the analytics, so basically here you can connect Google Analytics so you can understand the performance of your website. So you can also enable the analytics right from here. Now next is the announcement banner. This allows you to show a banner, some special events, promos, or discounts. So you can customize the color, add a message, add a button, and also link that goes if someone clicks on the banner. So as you can see at the very bottom, you'll find an option which says the visibility. So here, if you want to show homepage only or all pages. All right, so in this sample, I'm going to leave the settings as they are right here. All right. So on the next one, we have also some options on the right panel of your screen. We have these themes. So as you can see, we have the custom. We have you want create theme or import theme. You want some change your font styles, and you can also select any of the font styles here or theme for your website. So basically, you just have to select any of the theme right here that you like, depending on your preference or your branding. But for this sample, I'm going to select the simple. Now here we have also pages. So as you can see right here, if you're going to click on the pages, so basically we have the home page. So if you're going to click on the plus icon right here, you'll find some options like the new menu section, full page embed, new link, and a new page. Now we're going to add a new page here. For example, I'm going to click on new page. So first up, I'm going to add about page, and click on done. Another page here I'm going to add is contact page, and then click also this done button. Then another page here I'm going to add is location page. All right, so once done, click on this done button. So as you can see, we have the pages, and if you want to drag and drop the page here to a different location in our menu. So as you can see, you can change the location of the pages. Now, if you take a look at your website, as you can see the pages we have about, contacts, and also the location, right? Now, if you want to add sub pages, all right, so we're going to click on the new page right here. For example, I want to add a sub page. For example, I want to name this as Vision. All right, and then click on the done. So we're going to drag that up into about. All right. So as you can see, if we just drop it right there, we have the sub page. So we have the drop down menu, and we have the sub page right from here. And then you can also add a menu section. If you want to add a menu section, for example, another one is click on the plus icon, then click on new menu section. All right, for example, I want to name this as products, click on done. So if you're going to click the products, as you can see right from here on your website, you can see nothing happens because this is not a page, but we were going to create a sub items here, for example, right? Another page here, name this as, for example, product one, and then click on done. And again, we're going to drag and drop to the menu section. So as you can see, we have the menu page right from here. Now, the next option that we were talking about is the insert section. So right from here, beside the pages option, all right, so we have here some different items that we can add to our website page. So for example, we're going to customize our homepage. So right from here. So the first thing that we can do here, we can basically change the title name. So for example, I'm going to name this one as Galaxy. So we have here some options at the top. Basically, you can change the font style, font size, or some options here. For example, I want to change it as title, and here I want to change to Lexand and click this extra bold. So as you can see, we have just changed the title style and also the font size. You can also select bold, italic, underline, text color, insert link. You can also insert emoji, the text alignment if you want here. I want it to be centered. Duplicate, we have remove and more options. We have different options here that you can choose to basically customize your title. All right. Now here you can also find, or you will also find an option which says header type. So we're going to click on this header type right here, and an option shows up. As you can see, we have cover, we have the large banner or title only. So in this sample, I'm going to select large banner. So right here, as you can see, and then I'm going to add an image. All right, so click on the image and then select on upload. And I'm going to add the image right here. For example, I'm going to select this Roblox image and then click on the open button. There you go. We have added our page. So you can also do this process to each of your page headers. So you just need to follow also the process. You can add an abouts, products, contacts, or location. Now the next step, I'm going to add a text box. So I want to add my tagline or like subheader here. For example, I'm going to type your one-stop shop, right? Now you can also change the font styles and also the font size. Here I'm going to select heading. Also, I'm going to select on the font style here. Then you can actually change the text alignment, all right? Okay, select this text, change the text alignment to centered, drag and drop here below the header. So there you go, we have the header and the subheader. Now I'm going to add an image here that I've just created from Canva. And I'm going to upload a button right from here. So there you go. So I want to put it below that subheader. So as you can see, we have the button image. Now you can also use a spacer to make the header even larger. Just drag the spacer right from here below that button or image. So just drag it right here to change the dimensions of the image and the placement of the elements. Now I'm going to click on the image and here I want to add a link. So for example, I'm going to click the add link button here or insert link and I will just enter this product one page. So every time they click on this button, they will go to this page, which is the product page. All right, now we're going to add more section in this website. So we're going to select on the content blocks. Right from here, we have some different content blocks that you can use from. But for this sample, I'm going to select on the two image. So right from here, going to add this one. And in this one, I'm going to click on the plus icon. Basically, you can add a image or you can add a YouTube video or map. So in this sample, I'm going to upload an image. All right, for example, again, select this image here. And then also you can add the title for this image or description or any text that giving some informations about the image. Or here, I can also upload an image, another one. Right, so I'm going to add another title for this image. Right, there you go. So we have the title. You can also add some body text. So as you can see right from here. And then again, you can add some spacer in between the section to make this page look less crowded. So you can customize your website here with the same process, add some elements, add some eye-catching images, and create some descriptions or text to make it more informative. Now what we're going to do here now is create our footer page. So if you're going to add a footer, as you can see, so this footer will appear on every footer of your website. You can add here your logo, address, email, or your phone number. All right, so what we're going to do is go to content block and just select it right here. So if you're going to enter that one, as you can see, we have 4 images. I'm going to upload the image or the logo. So for example, I'm going to select the logo here. And then I'm going to delete some image right here. Not on the whole elements, but just the image. Now, as you can see, I have added the address, email, and the phone number. And here you can basically add a link for this email. For example, insert link. And then you just have to enter here your link, your email link. So if they going to click on this thing, it will automatically compose a new email to send to your email. You can also select the phone number and add a link right from here, for example. And then right from here, you can just type tell and then column, and then you can add the number, your phone number. So if they click this number from their mobile device, then it will automatically allow them to call to that number. And as you can see, I have also added a business name, copyright, terms and conditions, and also the privacy policy. So right from here. And also you can add some social links. So you can also click on the social things here and add your links, your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. So here, as you can see, you can add an image or logo for this website, or it will automatically shows up here once you click on the insert button. So there you go. We have just added our social links. And also you can add some images if you want for your footer page. And there you have it. We have just created our website from the Google Sites for free. So you just need to follow all the steps here in this tutorial so you can make also your own or create your own website using the Google Sites. So thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.